Hello, welcome. I'm Soumitra from Mindra Water Project Information. Now, last few videos I'm talking about the business model canvas. So I have found out that the business model canvas is a fantastic tool to define any business actually. So whenever you're talking about any business, particularly the bottled water business, so the first block which I am talking more and more because it is the most fundamental important block, that is called as customer segments block. So now this may be the third video I think in this. So while checking the packaged drinking water or bottled water or the business which you are thinking of, because model thinking is the first thing which we are really worried about or we should be giving importance to, because everything report and rotates about the business model. So in this, let's understand which kind of market you are into. If you are into water, so if you are there are, as you know, or you may be knowing, may not be knowing about what is a packaged drinking water and what is a natural mineral water. So so there are two categories and there are many categories actually. Some people talk about alkaline water, some people talk about flavored water. So everything with the every kind of water your market changes. Okay. So but basically try to understand there are two market segments. I'm not talking about customer segments, I'm talking about market segments. So one market segment is mass market and one market segment is a niche market. So whenever you are creating packaged drinking water, you are thinking of packaged drinking water business. So the typical 20 rupees wala water, okay, if you are thinking of that kind of business and you are going to that particular segment, so it can be called as a mass market segment. So okay, so it is a mass market. Then in mass market also you can create some niches, like for example, if you are selling packaged drinking water on the hill station where normally the water is not very easily available, or at very Himalayan destinations for trekkers, it becomes niche, though it's a mass market product. So this is the way you should think of niching your mass market niche. And the another thing is, besides packaged drinking water, there can be certain, like, natural mineral water. You must have seen a bottle like Blue Pine or Veen or Himalayan. These all are niche markets. These are not for all people. So first thing, it's a thirst quenching market. So it was a mass market for packaged drinking water, the 20 rupees wala water. And the other water, if you think of the Himalayan kind of water or natural mineral water, if you think of, so that water becomes a niche market product. So let's have a look at what do I mean by a natural mineral water market and all that. Just a minute. So if you can see there are three bottles which are kept, or three or four bottles rather. There is one more bottle here, you can see that. So there are three bottles which are kept in front of you. So what is the difference between these kind of three bottles? Have got three different niche markets. So you can have a single plant which has got various kind of markets and all that. But now think about this particular bottle, which is Kelzai. Okay, so Kelzai is, it's a natural mineral water. If you talk about this bottle Veen, it's a, you can see that packaged natural mineral water is clearly saying that. So this is packaged natural mineral water. Now if you think about these two kinds of bottles, so this bottle is what? This is a brand called Reachable. It is from Pune only, and let's see what is that called as. Okay, so whatever I mean. So it is a packaged drinking water, right? So you can see the number, the ISI number. If you want to see that, you can very easily check. It is ISI 14543. So this is reachable. You can see that manufacturer and everything is same. So this is one. So this is another kind of model. This Prado. This is a packaged drinking water again. Viren Industries, Pune and all that. So he is also depicting his ISI number. Here also you can check it on the these bottles. Both are IS 14543. Both of these bottles. One is another brand, the second another. So there is difference in that. Is that is reachable now. This is his own bottle he is selling, and this is, there is some difference in that. So I will just tilt the bottle instead of tilting the camera and just seeing it. It is packed for some other brand. So some Curious or some brand. Okay, it's a kitchen appliance. It is saying that it is specially packed for. So this is another niche market which you have got. So I'm just putting some examples in front of you. What is a mass market and what is a niche market? Okay. So basically, how we can make use of this segmentation is that you can create your value which you can offer to the that probable customer. After once you know that your mass market is what is your niche market, then you can draw your customer segmentation, which kind of customer you're looking at. So there are certain concepts like persona, making a persona, and like that. So in the coming some videos we are going to also touch upon that. So customer segments is a fairly long tail under the business model canvas, because it is very important and is the first block on which your whole business will be built. So stay and watch and keep watching. Comment on that, and also if not have subscribed, please subscribe so that you will get it in your email itself. Press the bell icon so you'll definitely get it. And yes, we have instead of trainings, you can learn these all concepts face to face, and we can help you build your models. And yes, we also consult you for various things. So stay tuned, and good luck.